Part of the joy of the journey of creating these modules is bringing the module together visually with both a mix of photographs and video. So I have two examples here. One single tree, and that was the theme for module 11, was one single tree. So we have this beautiful cherry tree that I found in Edinburgh in the city. Just a few minutes off the city centre, we have the beautiful Princes Street Gardens, and here I am with this amazing, spectacular bark on the cherry tree. And instantly when I saw it, I knew that I wanted to draw it, paint it, explore the colours, the silkiness, the smoothness. I was experimenting with paper and creating it with pastels.
So this is the dance part, me and the camera and the piece of art that I'm working with. And it's just capturing the right photograph, but it's a movement, it really is a dance. This was the weaving we did in module 10, and it's photographing it that actually makes it another part of the journey for me. And so I'm out here filming it on the Ponderosa Pine, so we're just in the process of photographing.